Yo, what's up everybody? Out here, Big Bear Mountain 2021-22 season. Dude. Let's go, baby. Yeah, all right, first chair of the season, boys. Ew. Yo, what's up everybody? Out here, Big Bear Mountain, first runs of the year. Get out here, get your tickets. Let's go, let's have a great run. Have a great season. Don't get hurt, be safe. Let's go. Woo! You're not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, double bump that bell. You want to be here every time we're charging the mountain somewhere in the world, baby. Let's go. Woo! Have you hit that subscribe button? You better hit that subscribe button. Do it right now. Go get your season pass. Big Bear Mountain Resort. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, baby. First run. Woo! We are getting it. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. First run's in the bag. Let's get it. Get up here quick. Get your pass. Woo! Woo! Deal.
Pretty fun, dude.
Yo, first runs with the Dilly Bob.
Here we go.
How was it?
Pretty sick, dude.
Did you get the MJ on that double barrel?
Hell yeah, I did.
Yeah, boy! Man.
Yeah, come on.
Everybody, we're taking the chair with park staff, Brandon Monahan. Yo, man.
What's up?
You guys did a great job this year on the opening day setup. Looks like there's some new things, some new colors. What can the people that come up this year expect for the rest of the year?
A lot of fun, hopefully more snow. That would be very helpful. Definitely got some new features out here.
How big's the base right now?
Maybe there's probably a few feet in some zones. I know Bear did a 20-hour shift over here making snow. We had 3 days of snow making, maybe a little bit more.
Cold front coming in this weekend, gonna blow some more.
Shoot, we're gonna try, you know.
Man, you guys did a great job though.
Hey,
Thanks for working. Thanks for all the hard work, man.
Absolutely.
Let's get it. Yeah, passes. Let's go. Oh yeah, even the girls that are up here today. Girl power on the mountain. Where are you girls at? Get your pass, girls. Far down. Mamba.
Where you at?
Hey. Yeah. In the homies. Yeah, dog. Yeah, catching up with the whole squad. We got Mamba Madness in here. Follow this boy. I put the link right here. You know how it is. Yeah, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, you're in there. We're in. We're up here with the Mamba Madness at the top of Big Bear Mountain. You can see the lake back there. It looks absolutely beautiful. Mamba, what do you think about the course setup so far?
Oh, it's lit today, yo. There is actually a lot for everything. There's something for your grandma, your grandpa, your kids, your wife, your husband. Yo, everybody's gonna be claimed on it. It's good.
Some rails, we got some down boxes, got some corrugated, something for everyone.
Dude. I do drop, flat, drop.
Woo! All right, man, top of the line, let's get it. We're gonna go feature by feature. First feature, as you see from the top to the bottom, is a 15-foot corrugated rail. We got Mamba coming in. Oh, flat box, 10-foot flat box. You can gap, slide on top. The next feature is gonna be your first down rail. Small takeoff, very easy to do. Your next set right through the gulch is gonna be a 15-foot flat tube, and then to a new feature, the double barrel shotgun flat bar. Yo, that one's fun. C-rail, right now it's curving from left around to the right. It's a flat rail right now, so pretty simple. Beginner to intermediate. Waterfall rail, it steps down 3 different sections. It's pretty crazy. So you gotta be an intermediate to an advanced pro. Small 10-foot flat box. Beginner level flat box. If you want to learn how to do rails like the big guys, you want to start on this box right here. Nice. All right, so the next feature you see right over my shoulder is called the Doghouse. It's partnered up to the Rainbow box. It's a really fun feature. The Doghouse is a little bit more advanced, intermediate. You can do some flips, you can do some stalls, go up and over the top. The Rainbow box, it's a whole lot of fun. You can gap right off the top to the flat or just roll right over it like a flat box. Really fun feature. All right, guys, that's it for your top to bottom. I think we're gonna go get a beer. Go check out the bar. We gotta check out everything else today. Yeah, break time. need to subscribe to the channel. Do it now.
We wildin', baby!
All right, everyone, while we're taking a little water break, little hydration break, I'm gonna take you through some of a few new features that you're gonna see here at Bear Mountain that you're not quite used to. First being the super obvious, the new access system. Really easy, you just take your card, your season pass, and now you can just swipe it. Easy access, no more super long lines. You can see even today there were super long lines and we were rushed right through that line. Less than 5 minutes, we were right back on the chair. Awesome new construction, really pumped to see this in action when we're at full capacity. If you guys haven't been up here in a couple years, get your butt up here. You're gonna see some amazing new features here on the deck. Hang out with your friends, like this fireplace area right here for just cozying up with your friends, hot chocolate, maybe a cold beer. Big Bear Sports is still looking styling. Now you can house 30, maybe even 40 boards and skis so you can go shopping inside. As you can see, they added some extra long lunch tables and some really cozy couches so you can hang out with all your friends. And of course, the outside lunch line, you get the best burgers and dogs on the mountain. That's where you're gonna wanna eat right there. And if you're looking for a restroom, you can find women's, men's, and more restrooms in there. You can also walk behind the staircase and get another entrance to the restroom. Don't go pee in the woods. I see you out there. Don't think you can get away with it. And of course, one of the features you've all been waiting for, the Big Bear Bar. A Red Bull, a Bloody, and a Blue Moon. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a couple cocktails for you to choose from this year. For your non-alcoholics and your kids, you got a Red Bull. Keep those wings, keep you energized on the hill. For your beer drinkers out there, good variety on tap, good variety in the tall cans. Blue Moon, lemon, it's a good one. But the best drink on the hill, you gotta get it at least once every time that you're here, is the Bloody Mary. It's got a special rim on top. This one's made with Tito's. It is spicy, so be careful, but it is so damn good. Yeah, bro, get this beer. Cheers, cheers, cheers to the season. Cheers, boys. All right, guys, you know what they always say, second to last. Let's get it, boy.
Get it time!
All right, guys, that's it for us here at Bear Mountain. For me, Mamba. Hey, we'll see you guys up here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you up here real soon. Get your pass. We'll leave the link in the description. Go check out Mamba Madness. We'll see you. We're out.
Wow!